In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Microsoft Forms I submitted. To get started, open Microsoft Forms in your web browser and sign in. Make sure you're using the account that owns the form or was shared with permission to view responses, otherwise the responsive view won't appear. Once you are on the form's homepage, look for the form you want to check. In our example, I'll open the one titled Animal Quiz. Click the form tile to enter its editor. At the top of the screen, find the option labeled View Responses. It usually sits near the responses area along the upper toolbar. This is your doorway to everything that's been submitted to this form. Click View Responses. You'll land on the Response Overview, which summarizes how many submissions you've received and gives you quick insights. This is helpful for a snapshot, but we're going deeper. On the right side of this screen, look for Review Answers. This option opens the detailed view where you can examine what was submitted, question by question. Go ahead and click Review Answers. You'll see an individual response presented with each question and the answer provided. If your form uses points, this panel also shows scores and any automatic grading that was applied. It's a clean way to verify exactly what was entered without changing the form itself. If you've collected many responses, use the respondent control to jump between them. Click the respondent selector, then choose the response or person you want to view. You can move through responses in order or pick a specific one from the list, which is great when you're looking for a particular submission. One quick note, if your form is set up as a quiz, the Review Answers view will also show correct answers and points. For a regular form, you'll simply see the text and choices people submitted. You can switch between the summary and individual views anytime to compare trends with specific entries. If you don't see View Responses or Review Answers, double check that you opened the form itself, not its preview, and confirm that at least one response has been submitted. Refreshing the page after sign in can also help if the controls don't appear right away. That's all there is to it. Open Microsoft Forms, select your form, click View Responses, head into Review Answers, and when there are many submissions, pick the respondent you want to inspect. Follow these steps and you'll be able to confidently find and review the Microsoft Forms you've submitted or collected.